Can you feel this subtle tingling in your fingertips? This sensation, this buzzing, like there's energy flowing. And if you really focus on it, then you can feel it also in your hand and in your arm. There's also a slight buzzing in your chest and in your legs. And a strong tingling is in my feet, a very strong buzzing, because I'm on a hike right now. And I just realized my whole body is buzzing. My whole body is filled with energy. And I think this is aliveness. It's a beautiful noticement, huh? I am alive. I am alive. Wow. Beautiful. And with each step I'm taking and with each breath I'm taking in here, this sensation, this tingling gets stronger. This aliveness is more feelable. And the fresh, cool air and the scent of the forest, everything out here is amplifying this feeling of aliveness. Wow. But somehow I never noticed this when I'm scrolling on TikTok or on YouTube Shorts. Somehow I notice this when I'm out here on a hike or in nature in general. A bit more aware of what's happening, of who I am and what I am. Then I'm feeling alive. And this is what I'm trying to capture in my music too. This feeling of aliveness, this sensation. This is what I'm trying to sing about and write my lyrics about. Yeah. On to the next step. Thank you for watching. Just a spontaneous thought as always. See you.